Hello my dear students and welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today's topic statistics. Today is the second class of statistics. So far you have come to know about few things of statistics like class range, class interval, frequency and how to arrange a frequency distribution table using tally marks, etc. from number of datas, right? Today I would like to show you another part. What is that? First, you should know what is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means to know the number of values of any variable just before or next to a certain value or variable. Just for example, say in a club, there are number of members of different age categories. Say 0 to 10 years of age categories, there are certain number of members. 10 to 20 years, certain number of members are there. 20 to 30 years, certain number of members are there. Like this. So if we are asked to find out, say less than 10 years member, then less than 20 years member, while determining less than 20 years, we have to consider the data about less than 20 as well as less than 10. Say if you are asked to find less than 30 years, number of members are less than 30 years, then we have to consider about 20 to 30 years and then 10 to 20 years and 0 to 10 years. Isn't it? So all together less than means 0 to that value or less than entire value or more than certain value means from that particular value to onwards, the entire value, right? It is. Just try to understand from this particular frequency distribution table. What is given? Here marks given in a class. Prepare a less than and more than type cumulative frequency distribution table of marks obtained by 40 students in a class out of 100. Okay. So, what class interval given? 0 to 20 marks. Number of students or frequency is 1. 20 to 40 marks. Number of students or frequency is 3. 40 to 60 marks, number of students or frequency is 6. 60 to 80 marks, number of students or frequency is 12. And 80 to 100 marks, number of students is 18. Okay. We have been asked to determine less than cumulative frequency first and then more than cumulative frequency. Okay. So here we are writing first class interval given, frequency given. Okay. Now, less than 20. Less than 20. Let's see, less than 20 means 1. Then less than 40. Less than 40, how much? Less than 40 is within 20 and 40, number of students 3 and 0 to 10 both. So it will be 1 plus 3, 4. Then less than 60. Less than 60, it will be 6 plus 3 plus 1, that is 10. Less than 80 then we have to find. Less than 80, it will be 12 plus 6, 18, 3, 21, 22. And then less than 100. Here it is almost all the, here it is all the students, which is 40. Okay. Try to understand. First we have found out less than type cumulative frequency from the frequency distribution table where class interval and frequency given. Okay, now our target is, aim is finding more than type cumulative frequency. So here it is, just see, more than 0, more than 0, then it would be more than 20, then it will be more than 40, more than 60, and then more than 80. Okay, first we are going through here. More than 80, more than 80 means in between 80 and 100, it will be 18. Then more than 60, it will be 18 plus 12, that is 30. More than 40, how much it will be? 18 plus 12, 30 plus 6, 36. Next, more than 20, it will be 36 plus 3, 39. And then more than 0 means total number of students, it will be 40. So my dear students, try to understand how frequency distribution table, from frequency distribution table, when class interval and frequency given, how to find less than type cumulative frequency and how to find more than type cumulative frequency. Okay, not hard at all, right? I'll be back soon with another problem. Here is another problem. What is given here? Here actually cumulative frequency given. We have to find the frequency distribution. Prepare a continuous group frequency distribution. That is, you have to find the class interval along with frequency. What is given? Cumulative frequency given. Okay, just see, in the problem the question is given as 75 or more than 75, which is 16, it is given, and then 80 or more than 80, it is 12 given, and 85 or more than 85, it is 10, and 90 or more than 90, it is 4, and 95 or more than 95, it is 2. Okay, this one is given. From here we have to find, the class interval along with frequency. So 75 or more than 75, say 75 to 80, 80 or more than 8, we can write 80 to 85, 85 or more than 85, we can write 85 to 90, 90 or more than 90, we can write 90 to 95, 95 or more than 95, we can write 95 to 100. Okay, now we have to find the frequencies. Follow it carefully. 75 or more, that is, this could be up to 100 here. Similarly, 80 or more, this could be up to 100. 985 or more, this could be up to 100. So in this way cumulative frequency is given. So to find class interval, that is frequency of 75 to 80, is 16 minus 12, which is 4. How does it come? 16 minus 12, it is 4. Then 12 minus 10, it is 2. 12 minus 10, it is 2. Then 10 minus 4, it is 6. Then 4 minus 2, it is 2. And then this 2. Try to understand. So actually 75 or more than 75, there is actually here the total number of students, which is 16. 80 or more than 80, 12 means in between this 4 students are there who got 70 out of 80, 70 in between 75 to 80, that is in between 75 and 80. Now then 80 to 85 is 12 minus 10, because 10 means 85 or more than 85 and 12 means 80 or more than 80. So in between 80 and 85 the number will be 12 minus 10, which is 2, and then it is 6 to 2 in this way. Okay. So my dear students, when cumulative frequency given, finding class interval and then finding frequency is not at all hard. Always you have to go through the data carefully and then check what is given actually, whether it is less than type or more than type, and then you can easily find the frequency distribution table. So okay, today's class is over, and my dear students, what I would like to say is, from next class I would like to show you histogram and frequency polygon, another interesting thing, another interesting topic. Okay, till then, goodbye.